Hello, coffee lovers. Ever wondered how your daily cup of joe impacts your body? Let's dive into the good and the not so good effects of coffee on your health. First up, constipation. Surprisingly, coffee can cause constipation, not diarrhea. This is due to a hormone called gastrin, which promotes digestion. Even decaf coffee has this effect. So caffeine isn't the main culprit here. Next, let's talk about sleep. Coffee blocks adenosine, a chemical that makes you feel sleepy. This can mess with your sleep patterns and circadian rhythm by impacting melatonin levels. So that evening cup might be why you're tossing and turning at night. Now, onto anxiety. Coffee activates your fight or flight response, potentially increasing anxiety and panic attacks, especially if you're already prone to them. Something to keep in mind if you're feeling jittery after that double espresso. What about weight management? Coffee is nearly calorie-free and can boost your metabolic rate. It also decreases ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and increases peptide YY, which makes you feel full. But be careful, add cream and sugar and you're negating those benefits. Ever noticed cold hands after your coffee fix? That's because coffee stimulates your adrenal glands to release adrenaline and cortisol, constricting blood vessels, especially in your extremities. For those into fitness, coffee can be a performance enhancer. It's been shown to improve focus, endurance, strength, and speed. Fun fact, the NCAA actually sets limits on caffeine concentration for athletes. But coffee also raises blood pressure temporarily due to epinephrine. Decaf does this too, so there's another ingredient at play. Long-term regular consumption might not cause hypertension due to tolerance, and let's not forget withdrawal. Quitting coffee can lead to withdrawal symptoms like headaches within 24 hours. This happens because your brain swells after being constricted by caffeine's effects. Worried about hydration? Coffee is a mild diuretic, but moderate consumption usually doesn't lead to dehydration if you're drinking enough fluids overall. However, coffee can worsen acid reflux. It stimulates gastrin release and increases gastric acid secretion. Plus, its bitter taste activates type 2 taste receptors in your mouth, making the problem worse. Lastly, medication interactions. Coffee can affect how your body absorbs, metabolizes, and excretes certain medications. Always consult your doctor to avoid unwanted interactions. That's a wrap. Coffee has its pros and cons, so enjoy it mindfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Cheers!